So today I'm going to show you how easy it is to build a dashboard in Tableau. Let's begin by connecting to a data source. In this case it's going to be a text file or a CSV, and we're going to look at something of interest, at least to me, and that's our Sydney house prices. We are going to want to drag our suburbs over here because that has what we need as far as latitude and longitude goes. I'm also going to configure this field over here, the cell price, because what I want to do is make sure that when I bring that in, which I'll be doing a number of times, that the way that comes in is going to make sense. So I'm going to set it to a currency, and I'm also going to change the aggregation to an average. So let's begin with a map. So we're just going to start here, and let's switch that around so we get a map with the lat long. Let's drag our, let's do this by suburb. So I'm going to drag the suburb onto detail. Now we've got a map visualization. It's not really telling us a whole lot as yet. So why don't we grab the number of sales and put that on the size of the mark. Let's grab the sell price and use that for color. Not sure if I like the blue, but maybe if we change the background. So let's make the background map dark. Yeah, that's pretty good. I might actually just change this. Let's see, maybe change it to an orange, and we'll go ahead and apply that. And as well, we'll add a border so we can see it just a little bit easier. And I'm going to make it slightly larger. And if I add a bit of transparency, we can see the overlap. Good, that's coming along well. So that's going to be our map view. Let's go ahead also and drill into the sell price by suburb, and let's sort that descending so we can see the highest values, and then we'll go and look at the number of sales by suburb, and again we will sort that descending. And lastly, I want to create a trending chart, so let's grab that. And also I want to use the sell price, so I'll put that up here. And we'll go ahead and make that a dual axis chart. And we don't have a lot of data before about 2008, so I'm just going to exclude that data. So the chart just makes a bit more sense. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to change the type of mark. So I'm just going to make the number of sales area. And I'd also like to add a trend line for the price. So we can put that trend line in there. We can see that's clearly going up. Now that we've got our worksheets, let's quickly create a dashboard. So I'm just going to double click and pull my map on there. I want to grab my bar charts and pull those in. I'm not going to use the legends in this case. And then I'm going to grab the trend line, put that down the bottom. Obviously I'm doing this quite quickly. And the size is not great. Let's do, say, 1400 by 1000, or let's say by 900, just so we can fit here on the screen. And what we're also going to do is give ourselves the ability to filter this data. So let's go in. For example, I can choose these high value homes, and I can see where we've got a high volume of high value homes. You can see it on the map there. We can see the trending of those, and of course you can drill into this data ad infinitum. You could also go in and use the map to select. So there you go, a dashboard in Tableau, easy and quick to build. Thank you.